In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Notion workspace. Whether you're backing up important data or preparing to share your workspace with someone else, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Notion in a web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left sidebar and click on your workspace name to make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you manage multiple workspaces under one account. Next, click on Settings and Members in the left sidebar. This opens the Workspace Management area where you can control all your settings and permissions. Then, under the Workspace section, click Settings. Here, you'll find the option to export your workspace. So make sure to scroll down until you see Export All Workspace Content. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have enough storage space on your computer and that your email is accessible for the download link. Doing this beforehand will save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you click Export All Workspace Content, choose your export format. Notion offers HTML, Markdown, CSV, and sometimes PDF. HTML is perfect for viewing in a browser, while Markdown and CSV are great if you plan to migrate to another platform. After selecting your format, make sure to include all databases, files, images, and subpage folders if you want a complete backup. Then, click the Export button to start the process. After that, wait for Notion to compile everything. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of your workspace. When it's ready, Notion will send an email with a download link. Click the link in your inbox to save the exported workspace to your computer. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to safely export your entire Notion workspace, keeping all your pages, databases, and files secure and ready for backup or sharing. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Why not make someone's day easier?